Hello, guys. In this video, I will tell you how you can chat with the newly released LLaMA 3 AI model by Meta for free. We will use both the LLaMA 370B and LLaMA 38B models, both for free and easily, with no need to deploy them on your PC. I will be giving two methods to do so. So, let's start. First method. Using Hugging Face Chat. Search for Hugging Face Chat. Go to this link. Here, log in with your account. Now, go to Settings. Change the model to LLaMA 370B Instruct, and activate it. Now, try it with a basic snake game code generation. As you can see, it is working fine. Let's verify if it is the LLaMA model just to be sure by asking it the same. As you can see, it is the LLaMA model. Second method, for some countries. Meta AI. Search for Meta AI. Go to this link. Unfortunately, it is not available in some countries, so I am unable to show its demo. It is available in these countries. If you are from these countries, you will be able to use it for free. Meta AI is powered by LLaMA 3 itself. This will be the UI of Meta AI, similar to ChatGPT. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.